Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to talk about the AI, which is a Leonardo AI, which uses us to help generate by the AI images. It's very helpful for you to do the graphics works, right? So you just simply go to the Leonardo AI, which will be completely free for they're giving the basic things here. They are giving the free, right? So you just go to here. You have to log in by your Gmail ID. Now you can see here there will be they gave us a free 150 token, or you can generate the images until this finish the token. The per day they provide us to 150. Right, this is a very great plan. So you will be able to generate the images. So what you're going to do is you have to go to the images section. Here we have to first you have to generate some images. So I'm going to generate the image which is a crow with fox at the rock under the tree. I need this concept. Click generate. So wait until the generation has been completed. Okay. So if you click generate. The same time the four images has been created at the time. Like you can see here, you have to wait until the four images created. Here you can see there are four different images we have created. In your if you are going to write some articles about the fox and crow, you can pick up one of the image. This image is very nice. You can see here it's a very nice image. You can get off this image. Okay, there's a upscale. If you upscale, you have to pay them. This is not free. This actual upscale means you have get very good quality images. But if you this image is also possible here. This quality is enough for us to upload our blog and all. Okay, so that we can get these images. But when you are selling to these images to the appropriate image selling website like Adobe Stock, something like that, you have to purchase the upscale one. Then only you will be able to upload that one. Otherwise, you can't upload that one if you go for a premium package. Okay. So if you are do the some storybooks, you have to print the storybooks or making the ebooks or web articles. You can use by this image, AI generated image. It's a very nice image. This very simple stuff. You have to follow it, right? Very simple. Yeah, after done it, you have done this one. Here the credit has been low, going to reduce. So I'm going to do the another one. Lion with tiger at the rock, like that. Tiger. Let's check it. This one, how the image will be generated. Let's check how the image will be generated. Let's check. Let's generate it according to our expected way or not. We'll check, right? We check. Okay. These images are good. Okay? So far, good image here. You can see here, but you can see I need this one as a natural look. Natural look. It doesn't take that much of time. Okay, it generated very quickly. So depending on your internet connection, my internet connection is not rather good. So if it is good connection, it has been generated quick. Okay, that depend on the internet connection. If it is fast, it will be generated quickly. If it is slow, it takes some time. Here, something good. Right here, this is the things here, the natural look here. These are the, like a natural look here. If you are not coming according to the way, you have to generate it here. This is like it's a very good image here. You can see here, it's a very good image. You will be able to see this is a very good image. These are the images. So you have to follow this instruction. This is a very simple way to generate the AI things. So this is how we have created the images and all. So this image is very here. This is very attractive image. You will be able to see.